Hello everyone. As you know, I am handling Unit 6 of the Retail Management. It is regarding the licenses and the legal compliances which is faced by the retail shops. So we'll go for the licenses and the statutory compliances in next two classes. For modern retail stores, in order to comply with the laws, various licenses and the permissions have to be sought from the authorities in time. So, if you want to open the retail stores, or if you are open the retail stores also, there is some of the laws and the licenses which have to be taken. Okay, and some of these must be displayed in the store. So, in the licenses and the documents, there is two types: the documents and the licenses which should be displayed, and the documents which can be placed in the prominent places, or the documents should be kept in the background. On a regular basis, before expiry of the licenses or the documents, an advance application must be done as to renew the same. So, before expiry itself, the advance application should be done to renew the same. Any lapse or non-compliances may invite notice from the authority, leading to the monetary penalty or even closure of the store. So, if any license is expired, then the authority will give you the notice. It may lead to the monetary penalty or even the closure of the store. So in the large stores and all, it is not possible to manage those licenses because the licenses are many. Okay, so the licenses and documents are many, and it's not possible to manage from one particular person or the hierarchy or the manager. So the loyal employee of that particular store is going to manage or handle about these aspects. So let's see what are the licenses or the documents which should be displayed. So here is the department and here is the license also. So from the municipal corporation, see, these documents should be exhibited in the stores. From the municipal corporations, the trade license, obviously the trade license need to be taken. Bakery license if you are opening the bakery, and FSSAI license, earlier it is called as PFA license. It is Food Safety and Standard Authority license. Okay, then nomination of the person under PFA. PFA is nothing but prevention of the food adulteration. Someone have to give the nomination. So the nomination, who is the nominee, and signage and the glow signboards. So signage and glow signboards means the same. So in the dark environment, if you want the name or the signs or any of the brand pictures to glow, then you have to take the license for that too. You have to keep the document for that too. That document also have to be taken from the municipal corporations. From the fire department, you have to take the fire license, and you should have the fire extinguisher in your store. If you are operating in any of the hotels, or if your operation is related to fire, or if you are opening any shops which may be destroyed from the fire easily, then you have to take the fire license also, and you have to keep the fire extinguisher and the sands also. You might be seen in the petrol pumps and all, right? Licensing authority, it's from the agricultural department. Insecticide license, so if you are selling any of the fertilizers and insecticides, then you have to take this particular license. And license to sell the agricultural produce. So if you are selling any of the agricultural products, then obviously you have to take the license from the agricultural department. Then from the inspector of the drugs, you have to take the drug license if you are opening a store or retail shop which is regarding the drugs. Okay, so drugs means nothing but the medicines. If you are opening a medicals, if you are opening any of the clinics, then you have to take the license from the inspector of the drugs. Then phonographic performance limited. So music licenses you have to be taken, either it's a PPL or IPR. PPL is nothing but phonographic performance limited, and IPR is Indian Performing Right Society. Okay, so in case if you are opening any of the restaurants, in case if you are opening any of the resorts, in this case there may be chances of some of the programs, concepts and all. So in this case you have to use the lights, you have to use the mics, sounds and all. So in this case you have to take the license from Phonographic Performance Limited. Okay, so IPR says the sounds and the lightings which is used in the concerts or any of the programs should not disturb the society. So you might be heard that many of the people are complaining about some of the bars, restaurants and the halls which is having the concerts and all, is it? Right. From the labor department you have to display these documents. So this display may be for the public or maybe for its employees also. So weekly holidays if applicable, you might be seen in some of the shops, in front of the shops itself they have mentioned about the weekly holidays and the working time. Am I right? List of the national and festival holidays. So these documents also should be displayed to the employees or to the general public. List of the employees working in the store and their timing. So how many employees are working and what is the timing of those employees should be displayed, and nowadays this is maintained in the computer documents. So from the HR department. Principal employer certificate. So who is the principal employer? And abstract of the act and rules of the minimum wages. You know, the government will fix the minimum wages and the retail shops should meet those minimum wages requirements. So that certificate also. Maternity benefits act and rules regarding the maternity benefits also they have to mention, and payment of the gratuity. For the payment of the gratuity, act and rules and name of the authorized person should be mentioned. So no sale of tobacco for the minors. So tobacco should not be sold to the any minors. Regarding that also notices should be displayed in the shops. Then legal metrology. So certificate of verification of the weighing scales. Okay, so some of the scales, weighing machines and all that should be get the certificate. So that certificate. Registration of the dealer for the first time. So registration certificate also should be displayed. Electrical inspectorate for running the genset. Genset is nothing but the equipment used to provide the energy. So if the retail shop owner is using that equipment, he should get the document or license from the electrical inspectorate. Then Department of the Civil Supplies to sell the certain essential commodities. From the civil supplies you have to get the license to sell the certain essential commodities. Then repacking licenses for the staplers. Okay, so staplers means necessary goods like milk, bread and all. So the repacking license should be taken from the Department of the Civil Supplies. So sales tax, VAT regarding aspects, brand certificates, liquor licenses also should be taken. So these all are the documents which should be displayed in the stores, and in coming classes we are going to study about the list of the records that must be maintained at the store.